Tips and tricks, 2 steps for drawing and coloring cute anime. Okay, for the first step we will draw using a pen. And so on, we will make it thicker using a marker. Okay, if the drawing is finished. Next time we will color this anime. Let's keep watching. Okay friends, the drawing and coloring method is complete. I hope you like it. Thank you.